Hello, everyone. My name is Xiaojiang. Yeah, I'm a postdoc at MIT Sensable Lab. Today, I'm going to talk about using Google Street View for urban studies. So I will introduce three of my projects to illustrate how to use Google Street View for urban study. So I think they no need to waste our time on introducing Google Street View. So Google also open a kind of API, so user can download Google Street View image using this API. You can get access to different types of image by specifying different parameters. So you can go to Google's website and find more information about that. So the first project I'm going to introduce is using Google Street View to map the street greenery for cities around the world. So I developed an algorithm called Green View Index. It basically represents how much greenery you can see on the ground using street level image rather than overhead satellite imagery. So I use computer vision algorithm to segment the street level image and into tree canopies and then count the percentage of that greenery part. So actually I have a video here. I don't know whether I can present. Oh, I go to the video. Sorry about that. Actually, I usually present using my own computer. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's it. With the video, introduce our project called Treepedia. We use street level image to map, just go to the video, and many of you probably noticed the importance of street trees. So we just use computer vision algorithm to quantify the greenery. And so let's go to, we are heading to MIT campus. Here you can see we get a Google Street View image, and then we use computer vision algorithm to segment the image and get the greenery part and count the percentage of greenery. Using the method, we can generate the greenery for cities around the world because Google Street View is globally available. So currently we have more than 25 cities on our database. We are going to have more cities on our database in the future. So let's go back to my slide. Sorry, it's really very, okay. So let's introduce the next project is using Google Street View to quantify the shade provision. Well, the trees provide shade in summer. This is very important in many cities, especially with the context of global warming. So my project using similar data, but in this case using Google's Panorama. So you can download Google's Panorama and then generate the hemispherical image, like the bottom left. So using this, here I show you the sky view of Boston, several sites in Boston. You can see, show you just totally different view. So we use deep learning algorithm to segment the street level image into different categories, like segment the sky and buildings and trees. So we can think if you want to count the shade provision of trees, you should also separate the shading effects of buildings. So we use building model and then generate these different types of hemispherical image. You can see the middle is the sky view I generated from Google Street View, and the right side is building hand model. Then I can get the street map. The left side shows you the shade provision map. The red dot represents a higher shade, and the green dot represents lower shade. So it match very well with the tree canopy map. So the final project is about sun glare. So many of you guys, if you drive from east to west at afternoon or drive from the west to east at morning, you may find the sun glare. The dazzling sun will block your eyes. It could be very dangerous for pedestrians, for drivers. So I just built a very simple model using lectures. When the sun is very low and the sun is not blocked by obstructions, then we're going to have sand layer. So let's first build a geometrical model between the sun and the driver. So we can overlap the sun paths at different days on the Google Street panorama. Then we can develop a method to quantify and find where and when the sand layer is going to happen. Actually, I have a map. I have a video to show you the sand layer distribution in whole Florida, but I don't know why we cannot play the video right now. But if you're very interested in that, we can have a talk. Actually, I hope I can present that, but no. Can you imagine that kind of map and show you the distribution of sand layer? Okay, that's my presentation. Sorry, I have a really very limited time.